Welcome to Daisy, our data AI quality system assistant. Here I have a dataset that needs cleaning, with a list of space mission launches. To clean and examine the dataset, I can upload it directly to the Daisy platform. With Daisy, I can find and define the exact rules I need to maintain clean, consistent, and reliable data. If I've used Daisy before, I can upload these rules. After I click Analyze Dataset, Daisy can provide a comprehensive report of the dataset in just a couple of minutes. Here we can see a few critical issues with our dataset. Price is missing 77% of the time, and there are inconsistencies with price and date. We also get standard analysis results. Here we can see over 80% of missions are categorized as status retired. Daisy then provides a few recommended actions: cleaning code in Python, and cleaning code as Daisy rules, which can be added to a YML file. These are dynamically turned into suggested rules, which can be added directly to our data quality rules section. A critical rule identified is to fill missing with the median value. There are numerous rules here determined through our smart analysis, which can be added to maintain high-quality data standards. Here I am adding fill missing rules, validate categories, organization, convert price to numeric, and standardize date format. Now I have the option to apply and download the clean dataset with these rules applied, or download the Python code. I'm going to use the text bar below to add a few questions about the dataset. I'm asking whether to fill price as median, as I'm thinking of removing the missions without price instead. Daisy has also provided me with the correct cleaning code in pandas. I want to remove missions with missing prices in the future, so I can ask Daisy to create that rule that I can add to my YML file at another time. Likewise, Daisy has also provided this to me in Python, so I know what the rule would do. Now we can check the data quality rules section. Earlier we added a few rules. Here you can delete rules and check which rules are currently violated by the dataset. After that deletion, I now have one violation, which is fill missing price. Now we can apply rules and clean the missing data. After opening up the dataset, this is much better. There are now no more missing prices. I'm going to go back to Daisy now and download my rules, just in case I need them again in the future. Here we can see the YML file with all the necessary data, so that I can use Daisy again to perform the same fast and efficient cleaning.